Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about that how to make money online as a remote tutor. Looking to find one of the best online tutoring jobs from home? There are a variety of work from home tutoring jobs, from teaching English to help students with their homework. You might spend 30 minutes teaching a lesson, a few minutes answering questions online, or working one on one with a student in a video lesson. Learning how to earn money from home as an online tutor can be very rewarding because you are helping people learn new things. This is one of the best feelings in the world. In addition to being rewarding, online tutoring jobs are a very flexible way to earn money. You get to pick the times and days that work for you so you can work around your full-time job while you care for your kids and more. And flexibility means online tutoring jobs are great for many reasons, such as you can work from home, you don't have to stick to a set schedule, you may be able to travel more or even full-time. If you are looking for a way to make extra money, want to work from home, or want to work while traveling, then learning how to become an online tutor can be a fun way to do so, as making extra money can completely change your life. Learning how to make money on side of my day job helped me pay off $38,000 in student loan within 7 months. I eventually turned my side hustle into a full-time job, and I can now travel full-time, pursue my passion, and more. Finding ways to make extra money can change your life in some really great ways, such as helping you with paying off your debt, saving up for big purchases like vacations, getting out of a paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, retiring early than you had originally planned, realizing that your job isn't the only option out there, especially you are currently feeling stuck. Help you to become more diversified and make money in more ways, travel more, or even full-time. As you can tell, I'm a big believer that learning to find new ways to make money can completely change your future for the better. And online tutoring jobs are one of many great ways you can start earning more money. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.